Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. To establish a Respite Care Services agency in Wyoming, follow this concise roadmap based on state requirements. Respite providers offer temporary relief to primary caregivers by stepping in to supervise and support individuals with disabilities or medical needs. Whether provided hourly or overnight, the goal is to prevent caregiver burnout while ensuring the participant remains safe and engaged in their home or community. The process starts with Step 1, Business and State Authorization. Register your business with the Wyoming Secretary of State and obtain a Type 2 NPI. You must enroll as a provider through Wyoming Medicaid Provider Services. Services are primarily authorized under the Community Choices Waiver CCW for seniors and adults with physical disabilities, or the Comprehensive and Supports Waivers for individuals with intellectual or developmental disabilities IDD. Next, we move into Step 2, Staffing and Compliance. All staff must be at least 18 years old and clear a criminal background check and the Wyoming Central Registry Abuse and Neglect check. Providers must maintain a policy and procedure manual covering emergency response, medication assistance if applicable, and participant rights. All direct support staff are required to hold valid CPR and first aid certification. Last but not least, Step 3, Operational and Billing Infrastructure. Implement a system to track authorized units versus delivered units, as Respite is strictly tied to the hours approved in the participant's Individualized Service Plan ISP. Documentation must include daily shift notes and clear handoff communication with the primary caregiver. Ensure your billing setup aligns with the specific Wyoming Medicaid fee schedule for the waiver program you are serving. If you need help navigating Wyoming's Medicaid enrollment, drafting your P&P manual, or setting up compliant shift documentation, Waiver Consulting Group provides full-service startup support. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to start your journey today.